So I roll up on this furnace, and we have a 6 flash. Now, if you look at that, it says bad control fuse or a rollout, flame rollout switch. So I know it's not either one of them just by the fact that our gas valve comes on. But if you look at the gas valve and the flame, you can see it's bouncing around. So I know we don't have a constant voltage to the gas valve. So I want to check the pressure switches. And here you can see this one. It's jumping all over the place. So I want to check for water in the pressure switch tube and the two black lines to the left hand side of the draft inducer on the bottom. Now, if you disconnect them and they look like this, you have a clogged drain. But when I was going into the place, I could hear the vent. This vent is clogged, and we can see it's full of water, so this is probably our problem. And you can hear it gurgling. So if you hear your vent gurgling with water, it's blocked. So the fix here is to pull the vent back up. When the roofers were putting the roof on, they pushed the vent down into the roof, so it wasn't sloped right anymore. Now, the fix for right now is to pull it back up. But eventually we're going to have to go in that crawl space and see why that was allowed to get pushed down in the first place. And that's it.
So
that's the fix here.
An elbow?
Yes.
So what they did
So
was they pushed it down and then it was
the code that this furnace put out really didn't have anything to do with the problem.
Now we gotta come back up here.
So, as always, these furnace control boards, they'll guide you to the problem, but not always diagnose it for you. So this was a 6 flash clogged vent.
That was so bad. They didn't even bother bending